Hi everyone, I'm John from Trevethan Distillery. I'm the head distiller here and I produce Trevethan Gin. Over the next few weeks we're going to give you a bit of a behind closed doors tour of our distillery, show you a bit about our production process, talk to you about the different types of gin that are out there on the market and make you a few nice drinks along the way. Right, so before we go into any technical bits, we just want to make a nice, straightforward gin and tonic. Show you how we like to make it, the things that we like to use, and the little process that we've put together to make a perfect G&T. Obviously, the key ingredient to that is using Trevethan Gin. So first of all, we're going to get our ice. What you would tend to do in a bar or at home is you'll add your gin in next. We're going to tell you not to do that. We're going to go with the tonic next. We're going to use 100 ml of tonic. Next we're going to take our garnish, and now for our original gin, which is quite juniper forward, there's lots of nice citrus and herby notes in there as well. We start with a citrus peel, and we always use the peel in this situation because we want to get the sweeter oils from the fruit rather than the acid which comes from the flesh. So if you take your peel, just roll it and give it a bit of a bruise. It will start some of those sweeter oils coming out, and then just add that to your tonic. And to go along with the citrus, we use a herb usually. Today we're going to use rosemary. Orange and rosemary works really well with the juniper forward flavour of Trevethan, but you can mix and match with your citrus and your herbs. So we've got lemon and thyme, grapefruit and oregano. So they're all good matches, but usually a citrus and a herb. The herb really balances the juniper flavour. So we add that in, give it a little stir as well. And next we need to add our Trevethan Gin. And I said before, we don't add the gin in first. The reason being that the liquid here is a really fine balance of alcohol, water and oil. If you pour that straight over the ice, the really subtle botanical oils that we want to flavour the drink can be shot. They'll come out of solution a little bit and it will destroy the balance of the gin. So we add it in last. The reason being it will cool much more slowly and it will also naturally mix the drink because the gin is denser than the tonic, so it will start to naturally sink to the bottom of the drink. And then we just take a leftover piece of rosemary and give it a bit of a stir, not too much. And if you let that settle, that will be a perfect gin and tonic serve. So just to recap, the perfect Trevethan Gin and Tonic is made with Trevethan Original Gin, created by Norman Trevethan back in 1929. Today we've used the Fever Tree Light Tonic, slightly lower in quinine, really lets the gin shine through. A little bit of orange peel, some rosemary, and always add the gin in last. Cheers!